song as your alarm sound on an iPhone. Whether you want to wake up to your favorite music or just personalize your alarm, this guide will get you covered. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the Clock app. Once you're in the Clock app, tap on the Alarm tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap the plus button at the top right to create a new alarm. Now tap on the Sound option. This is where we'll choose the song you want as your alarm. Scroll up a bit and tap Pick a Song from here. Simply tap the Songs section. This will open your Apple Music library. Browse through your songs, albums, or playlists. Once you find the song of your choice, just tap on it. It will now be selected as your alarm sound. And that's it! If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up or share it with a friend who needs a better alarm tone.